Let's understand Vegas diagram the easy way. We've all seen this complicated graphical diagram showing events of cardiac cycle but fail to understand. So today we're going to break it down. First, we have our ECG changes in which QRS complex shows beginning of systole and the end of T wave showing end of diastole. In the ventricular volume, there is isovolumetric contraction, means there is no change in the ventricular volume. Then, due to opening of aortic wall, the ejection of blood out from the ventricles occur. Then aortic valve closes, blood starts filling in the ventricle. First there is rapid inflow and then it gradually decreases and the remaining blood gets filled by left atrial clip. Now let us look into the pressure changes. Initially the pressure goes up even when the volume does not change, that is in the isovolumetric contraction. Then when the ventricular pressure exceeds systemic pressure, the aortic valve opens and blood gets out from the ventricles. And when the systole comes to an end, the aortic pressure supersedes ventricular pressure, which results in aortic valve closure, after which the ventricles relax. Now let us compare atrial pressure with ventricular pressure. When the atrial pressure is higher than ventricular pressure, it results in mitral valve opening and the filling of the ventricles occur. For the Hout sounds in phonocardiogram, the first sound is due to closure of AV valve, second sound is produced due to closure of pulmonary and aortic valve, and third sound is due to turbulence of blood during rapid filling phase.